So yan mga kaluto, may time ako mag-video ngayon. So ibibideo ko yung mga kabats ko sa pagti-training. Oh, kaway-kaway kayo mga kaibigan. Yan. So yan, magandang araw mga kaluto. So nakaka-apat na araw pa lang kami sa aming training. So ito yung mga kasama ko. Yan.
Oy, magkain bukas ha? Order ha? Bukas. Hindi, yung pagkain nga, siya nga magdadala eh.
Bayad mo ka. Bayad.
Ano, pino-order sa kanya oh. Pino-order daw oh.
Ako ba?
Darling of safety shoes. Inspect for all damaged shoes, such as mold layers or worn-out soles. Slide your foot into the shoe, adjust the laces or straps to achieve as not body comfortable fit. Make sure the shoes fit properly and don't cause any discomfort.
Ano ba ito ba?
Darling of safety goggles. Inspect the goggles for any damage, such as cracks, scratches, or missing parts. Follow the goggles by reaching or temples. Position them over your eyes. Adjust the strap to get static comfortably around your head. Ensure there are no cuts between the goggles and your face. Gently shake your head to ensure the goggles remain secure in place. Make sure you can see clearly through the lenses without any distortion. Darling of gloves. Inspect the gloves for any tears, holes, or other damage. Ensure the gloves are in the correct size and type for your task. Carefully slide your hands into the gloves. Avoid touching the inside of the gloves if you're there. Adjust the gloves to ensure a comfortable fit. Darling of gas mask. Inspect the mask for any damage to the ears, holes, or missing parts. Ensure the strap and nose clip are intact. Hold the mask by the strap at the front. Place the mask over your nose and mount. Ensure the nose clip is positioned above your nose. Pull the strap over your head and position it comfortably above your ears. Gently pinch the nose clip. Clip is hardly against the bridge of your nose. Darling of helmet. Inspect the helmet for crack dents or other damage. Ensure the strap. Darling of earmuffs. Inspect the earmuffs for any damage to the strap in the front ears in the head or missing. Ensure the ear fashion are in good condition and provide a good skill. Place them over your head. Adjust the headband to ensure it's not a comfortable fit. The ear prop should completely cover your ears.
Okay, start.
Adjust the headband to ensure it's not a comfortable fit. The ear cuff should completely cover your ears. Check fit by gently press the ear cuffs against your head and ensure a good seal tight fit and setting up between the ear cuffs and your head. Make sure the earmuffs don't interfere with your vision or balance. Darling of gas mask. Inspect the gas mask.
Oh,
Ay.
balik. Ano na, yung
Inspect the helmet for any crack dents or damage. Ensure the strap are intact and buckles. Carefully place the helmet on your head. It should sit level on your head, not tilt forward or backward. Fasten the strap under your chin. Adjust the strap to fit snugly but comfortably. You should be able to fit 2 meters comfortably fit. Check it by ensuring the helmet is secure and comfortable on your head.
Elsa na, Elsa.
Operate Elsa UDT test and motivate. So, DDT on the neck, turn the cylinder belt, and tight clockwise for more than one circle to open. Hold the strap at the ball at the end and pull the belt. Take out the hood and wear out the head. Put the hood with transparent pillow in front, adjust the position of the hood and take it forward to mount and nose. Escape across the room area safely.
Okay, next.
Kain muna kami, kayo.
Sige.
Hindi pa kami nagkakanta. Halika.
Wala nga musal eh.
One, two, one, two. Dapat lahat. One, two, one, two, one, two. Very good. Yay! 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Gagawin nyo kasi talaga yan, no? Ngayon, hindi ko na... Hindi, gagawin talaga rin nila yan. Lahat kaya gagawin yan.
So yan mga kaluto ang service ngayon namin. Makikisabay ako sa isang classmate ko. Yan. So tapos na yung 10 days na training namin. So uwi na kami mas maaga ngayong araw. So yan mga kaluto. Oh.
Video ba?
Video.
Video ba yan? Last day bukas, di ba?
Upload ko to. Baka bukas.
O, kanin ko. Sino?
Hindi maubos ang kanin, itatago na lang ni Master.
Hindi
Kainin
namin gabi, no?
kainin namin mamayang gabi.
Oo, yung ano, pag hindi na naupos tayo.
Bakante pa daw siya sa kwarto.
Dami. Gusto mo, tabi tayo eh. Basta maligo ka lang.
So, magandang araw mga kaluto. So ngayong araw nandito kami sa Cavite. Yan, titake kami ng lunch dahil 11 AM na ng umaga. So oras na para kumain ng tanghalian. So yan mga kaluto. Yan. So ang ulam ngayon, ito ay prilamang, ay chicken adobo with rice. At yung mga kasama ko may dalang sisig. Yan.
Kapampangan.
Yan. Sisig from Kapampangan. Yan.
Wow. Dinakdakan bukang. Ano yun?
Kilawin, pwede. Yan. Sinergi siya. Kaya sa taas.
Okay, so hindi natin ito gagawin. Madali lang naman ito para sa mo dito sa ito harap. So, isa ito, dalawa itong gagamitin or ano. Para pang plastic mo ito. So, tanggalin na yung mga
Hindi ba yata yan? Pwede yan. O, saan lang na? Ay, pamagpatayin na na.
Okay, kung mo ngayon doon sa nakakita. Kunwari siya AB. Mr. AB, Miss AB. Miss AB, wala siya radyo. Sisigawan mo na lang.
Miss CB, it's confirmed, one overboard.
Yes, it's
Yes,
confirmed.
it's to confirm man overboard.
On the starboard side. Okay, confirm.
Confirm.
Captain, this is
Copy, I will do the Williamson.
Williamson third.
Williamson.
Okay, now we are going to do the Williamson third. Now the other guy is going to how many degrees?
Can you please do the 60 degrees starboard side Williamson?
Okay. Sabi mo kay Kapitan. Sinabi niya, starboard side.
Starboard
60
side,
degrees.
60 degrees.
Okay.
Copy.
Okay. Next.
Chief of the, Dermot, copy.
Okay. Now, Captain, going to.
The captain will do the going to midship.
Yes. Before you go, after you going to the ship, what will you do to the witness? She will
To the right wing.
throw the left ring. Throw the left ring. Yes. Ganda, no?
Third mate. Copy. Captain. Please call Chief Engineer to stop the engine.
Ikaw ang tatawag, ikaw ang kapitan.
Chief Engineer, copy.
Yes, copy.
Please turn off the engine.
Okay, we will stand by, we will set up the engine. After we slow down a little bit, then we will start the engine. Now the engine stops. Okay.
Copy, Chief Engineer. The engine is stopped. AV.
AB, go to midship.
Go to midship.
AV, go to midship.
Midship captain. Ganun na lang, ganun lang.
Okay?
Ganun na lang, sabi mo. Midship captain.
Ship captain.
Okay.
Copy.
Now,
Third mate.
what are you going to prepare para ma-save mo yung man overboard?
The ladder.
Pilot ladder din, hindi kailangan ng pilot ladder, no? Ang kailangan mo lang is yung life ring at saka yung painter.
Third mate. Please
Ah,
prepare the
prepare.
light ring
And
and
the
painter line.
Okay, ano pa?
Sabi niya yung labas yun.
Ate, ganito na lang, sasabihin mo, now we are on the long side with the man overboard, we are going to pick up the man overboard. Okay.
Okay, this is the captain. We are now in the alongside and we will pick up the man of the
Dapat di ba siya sasabihin sa akin?
Hindi, sasabihin niya nga sa kanya yun. Kaya nga loop eh.
Captain,
It's already pick up the man overboard.
Okay.
it's already
No, it's already pick up. Sabi mo, we have already pick up the man overboard.
We have already pick up man overboard.
Captain,
Copy. We will now pick up the man overboard.
okay. Now, tawag ka sa makina na yun. No?
Chief Engineer.
Yes, this is Chief Engineer.
You are now in the alongside and we are now ready to pick up the
We are already pick up.
We are now already out. We are now to pick up the man overboard crew.
Okay. Then prepare the engine.
Then prepare the engine for sailing.
Okay, copy Captain. Now I am preparing my engine and we will now continue on our sailing. Now the engine start. Go ahead.
Copy that.
Ghost
Vlogger, oh.
Ghost
Vlogger.